Hey everyone, Matt Cutler from Blocknative here. Super excited to share with you the first mainnet deployment of our gas network on-chain gas price oracles. What we're basically doing is taking the real-time gas markets and making them accessible to smart contracts via a distributed oracle network. We think this is really critical for trustless interop. You have a smart contract on chain A, it needs to transact on chain B, but in order to do so, it needs to know the current gas price on chain B. Today, that requires a fragmented collection of RPC endpoints or APIs, which have varying formats and of wildly different quality. What we're doing is normalizing all of that and making it accessible in a standardized on-chain fashion. Now, what I want to do today is share with you our demo dApp that allows you to interact directly with the Oracle, and then you can read the docs to basically integrate directly with your smart contracts, and we very much hope that you do so. Our first deployment is on Linea Mainnet. So I want to show that to you now. You just go in here, you go to gas.network and click try the demo. This will launch the demo dApp. I've already connected my MetaMask wallet. Make sure the contract version is set to V2. And what we can do is we can read from this oracle and we can write or update the oracle. And I want to show you both of those things. So what we have today are estimates for 36 unique chains and growing. And so we want to be everywhere you need to be. Here's the ones that we support. We'll be adding to this constantly. Let us know if there's chains that you'd like us to support. And then we can write that out to a series of test nets. But now we have Linea Mainnet as well. Now, before we go through the writing exercise, let's just first read off the oracle. Now, when I click read Ethereum estimations from Linea Mainnet, we're going to ask it for a recency as soon as 1 hour. And in order to drive initial developer adoption, we Blocknative are proactively pushing updates to this oracle on an hourly basis. So if you ask it for a recency of 1 hour or greater, you'll always get a result. So you can see here is the raw data from the oracle, and we can see that this was last updated about 15 minutes ago. Now, these status codes are relatively compact for gas efficiency. You can see what they are in the docs. 107 is going to be the Ethereum L1 base fee. 112 is the Ethereum L1 blob base fee, and 322 is the current Ethereum max priority fee. This is also extensible. So down the line, as we have more varied gas markets or additional capabilities, we can add that in here as well, which is super interesting. Now, if you have an application which has a gas tolerance of an hour or so, just use this, it's great. But if you need something more recent, like gas estimates that are a minute old or 30 seconds old, if you try to read them from the oracle, most of the time you'll get this because the oracle hasn't been updated in the last 30 seconds. Of course, what you can do is pull the oracle and basically dynamically grab the latest gas price, put it down onto the oracle, and then your smart contract can read from that. So let's do that. So we're going to read for Ethereum L1 mainnet, and we're going to write to Linea Mainnet. I click read Ethereum estimations and write to Linea Mainnet. You can see the payload. I now have a MetaMask transaction. It's very gas efficient. It's just a cent to do so. And what's going to happen is we're going to write to the oracle on Linea Mainnet. And now that that's done, as soon as I click for the last 30 seconds, now I get that result and I can see where that update came from. And so this is super dynamic. It's actually really interesting. We push Ethereum L1 mainnet, but anything here is supported. So let's say you wanted to see what BNB Smart Chain was. Let's click that. Here is the current value from BNB Smart Chain. We're going to confirm that, and we're going to dynamically update this oracle on BNB, and then we can read that off the oracle as well. Okay, and so it's super flexible, super programmable, really easy to work with. And if you click right here, you can see all the documentation for it. So what we're doing is we're rapidly building out this capability, and we're trying to encourage folks to go hands-on and to give us feedback, of course. Again, today we support 36 chains. We support Linea Mainnet. Down the line, we'll be adding support for additional chains and additional features. And we'll also be incorporating interesting capabilities like our widely deployed in-browser Chrome, Brave, and Firefox gas estimation extension. All of this is moving toward a shared governance decentralized model that we're super excited about, but we've taken our first major step here. Invite you to go hands-on and give us feedback. And thanks so much. Cheers, bye.